want to go back in there. Put it back in there. I'm not working till it's out of here. This is abuse.
What are you smiling about? Get the bolted!
Alex is off his meds again.
Ice cream. Ice cream.
We're just pulling up to the new shop right now. And we're gonna surprise all the guys with the new car. What do you think the surprise is?
Hopefully a girlfriend.
What are you hiding? What?
All right, close your eyes, guys, close your eyes. Don't cheat.
Nah, I don't see the oil to it.
Don't look. Hey, you peeking.
Bro, I smell it, bro. I smell it.
All right, guys.
You should have showed them the gardener's truck, bro.
This is so mint.
Oh, 2 hours in these seats is no joke, dude. Now we're gonna turn into a Porsche shop, so you guys get ready for that. Now we got a 996 GT2 and a 996 GT3. And a 992.
And the E36.
And we got Misak's guard's red hair right here.
We had to add a GT2 as well, so we can't just have the GT3.
You gotta get the whole thing. Gotta collect them all.
Oh, what's up?
Flying.
Sparks always be flying around here, man. You know, flames be going everywhere. Sparks, House of Flames. We gotta remake this hanger since it is first titanium exhaust system for the A12. This happens to be a little different, so I'm gonna make it a little longer so that way it sits perfectly in the car. So when they install it, you don't have to do anything. Just put it in there, plug and play, shoot flames, and we good.
All right, Paul. What checking out the measurements?
Oh man, yes. Since last time we talked about the A12 system being all titanium, this is the first one. Just want to make sure that everything fits correctly before we ship it out to the customers. Just double checking everything. But the last time we showed you guys was the rear section. I don't know if you could see this.
Oh yeah.
Well, there's that. And then we have the mid section that we handmade in-house. So all of this is made. This is an oval tube that we made. Everything's actually fitting pretty damn nice. It's looking really good. Little few adjustments and then it'll be on its way.
That looks complicated.
I've spent a lot of time here this week. What I got going on right now, Alex wanted to be able to have a little bit more control over some of the things on our SVJ twin turbo kit. So for some of the cars, we have opted to run, we're gonna have essentially 3 engine control options for these things. We're gonna have a full factory ECU setup, and then we're gonna have what I'm working on right now, which is what we're calling a Piggy Pack. We're gonna have a full standalone that's available as well. This right here is an engine harness to run the injectors and fuel outputs and fuel pressure sensors, map sensors, stuff like that. So it's essentially half of an engine harness for an SVJ being built. Some of the stuff is still gonna be controlled by the factory ECU, but a lot of the stuff that comes with making power is going to be controlled through the Cyvex, so we're going to be able to have control over boost and whatnot all through the Cyvex so that we can safely adjust boost for our customers. They don't have to have full boost all the time, or they can turn it down if they're driving around town or whatever the case is. So all they have to do is switch a map or switch modes on the car and everything's already adjusted for them. They don't have to worry about anything. Plus with that, we're gonna be able to add NOx sensors and stuff. It's not included on the factory ECU. So we're gonna be able to be a little bit safer using this. Obviously it's not the control you'd have with a full standalone. We are combining the fact that we have amazing data for the factory ECU, and the car already was working fantastic with the factory ECU, but now we're gonna be able to provide some of the features such as rolling anti-lag and whatnot that come with a Cyvex with the factory ECU, and you don't have to shell out full standalone money, but you are able to still play with some of those features, such as the one I just named, rolling anti-lag. The more options there are, the more people can make it what they want and have fun with it. So this has been very tedious as I am writing down the measurements of every wire and whatnot. This is the biggest wiring job I've ever done, and I'm really excited because this has taught me a lot. Again, you guys will notice a trend that I'm always learning. With this, I've had to literally keep track of where every single wire is, where it's gonna end up, and how long each wire needs to be, where each pin is. Here, everything likes to get tangled up, and I keep having to go back and untangle everything just so I can keep it nice and neat like you see here. I started from the longest wires and I'm working my way all the way into the shortest wires. All these little pins and sensors, all these are like shielded cables. So these still need to get cleaned up and grounded to chassis so that we can get rid of the RFI interference in these.
I thought you were making a weave back here.
Yeah, it's for my luscious locks, baby.
I'm expanding a tube.
You like my tips, Tony Kim? Look at my collector, Tony. I'm really proud of this. So we buy these stainless collectors for the titanium F1 package. We tried to order titanium collectors in the exact same dimensions and we were unable to do so. So Alex asked me to make one. This was my best attempt.
Okay,
We can't get the proper degree bends in titanium for this, so I just had to cut pies and make this. I'm pretty proud of it.
That was clean.
Thanks, Tony.
We found a Beetle, and our favorite thing to do when we find Beetles is with Kevin. So now we're with Kevin. Hey, Kevin.
I don't want to go back in. Put it back in there.
I'm not working till it's out of here.
Just gotta get it on.
This is up yours.
There's a big bug in here, bro. It's bigger than my ears.
You're 100 times larger than that beetle.
Yeah, that eats, bro. It's huge. It's called a stink bug for a reason, man.
Yes,
Now we don't have to get skin cancer. Oh, look at that. Look, the picture makes sense, bro. Look, put that back. Oh.
What you got?
I got 2 new welding helmets for me and Anton because we don't got any and we're too broke to buy any. Thank you, Alex, for buying us some. Here we got the new Minion setup. We're gonna be unboxing the new helmets. Comes in a nice bag.
Yes, welder.
Oh my god. Oh. This one's auto darkening too. We got the stickers that NJ gave me that pair with the helmets.
I don't know if we can show some of that, but. Oh, with the Yes Hood. That's a sick company. Yeah, well, what makes it sick? Yes Welder, it's just trendy and new and affordable. They actually don't pay us or help us out at all, so sponsor us, yes. There we go.
This is what we were using. It doesn't even adjust.
Yeah,
and it's just pitch black.
It's just pitch
It's
black.
just pitch black. You can't see anything.
Alright, moving on up in the world, Minion.
Alright.
Hopefully you guys can pump some up now, man. Is that an antenna? It is an antenna. The robot.
Ernie just got done doing my favorite job ever to do on an Aventador. You should tell him about it because it's fun.
Why is it Tony's favorite?
Because he threw out his back last time he did it, and I don't blame him. My back hurts right now too. Doing the starter on this car is probably the biggest pain in. Both of us would rather pull the engine out than do a starter on this car. You gotta raise it up, disconnect all the mounts, pull out the motor mount, pull out the bracket. Then you can finally get to the starter. It's not fun.
Oh man.
I already got the new starter in there, so I'm just bolting up the motor mounts and should be good to try out. The car's good to go.
How's that back though?
Seen better days, but nothing bad. We're good, we're good.
Okay, alright.
This is the starter, and it doesn't look too bad. But first you need to disconnect this motor mount, which is out of a Bentley actually. It's got a connector going to it and everything, so you gotta disconnect that. You gotta loosen up the motor mounts from here.
Okay.
And all the other motor mounts, including the diff motor mount.
Okay.
Or the diff mount. Then you can lift the engine up, get that out. Then you gotta get this off, which they did not make it easy to access. You got the header in the way.
Okay.
You got coolant lines in the way. Then when you finally get that off, you can access the bolts for the starter to pull the starter out.
That's just to get it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Reverse the process for putting it back in.
Got it. Like putting together a computer.
No, I've put together computers. It's much easier.
What are you smiling about?
Get that bolt in! It's in, I'm tightening it.
Keep around like that, I'm gonna have a stroke.
Alex is off his meds again.
Bro, get this piece of out of here, man.
I'm trying.
I shouldn't say that. By the way, guys, does anybody want to buy my Aventador S Roadster? It is not a piece of shit. It's actually a very rare color. It is very beautiful. It is a grigio.
Give me the sales pitch right here.
It's going up for sale. If anybody wants that shit, let me know, man. I ain't got no time for no sales pitch. With the outro at the same time. It's a crime. It ain't mine. It's Danny Pinoy.
Bust a rhyme.
Oh, busting rhymes.
You gotta get an American Idol over here.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Come on. I come from Philippines as janitor. I wash the floor. I wash the floor.
Today we wash the window, up and down we go. To the window, to the wall,
to the sweat drop down my dabo. These dabo.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
What's Franco working on over here?
Hey.
¿Cómo está?
¿Cómo está, Franco?
Desarmando el motor del número 11.
Oh, what happened?
No sé qué le vas a hacer.
Pow!
Ah, reventó.
Oh, I don't know. You break the No sé.
Estoy limpiando el motor para que se vaya limpio de todos los extras.
Yo soy el rey de las tortas.
¿El rey de las tortas?
El rey de las tortas.
Oh, vergo.
Soy el rey de los chorros.
¿De los chorros?
Ajá.
No.
Okay. We bought this motor as a spare to have it in stock for core swaps for the 992. Since we're supposed to be putting my 992 back with the built motor, we just bought a spare one. So once that car is done and our package is ready for those cars, then the customer who wants to do that package doesn't have to wait and let their car sit for a month or a month and a half or whatever until we get the motor built. So basically, we'll have a core motor, we'll build this motor when it's ready, or actually this motor will be built sitting in stock. So their car will come in, we'll take their motor, pop this in. The wait time is decreased by a huge amount of time. So that's what we're trying to do with the Aventadors and everything else too, except on the Aventador, obviously it's pretty hard because a used motor is almost 100 grand and you can't find them everywhere. So that's what this motor's for. Bring your car, take it out, pop it in, put the turbos, do the intercooler, and you're out of here. Pa fuera!
All right, Alex, you gotta sign this for the giveaway for the lucky winner.
Hey, lucky winner. Sure he wants my signature on this thing?
Yeah, he said it's cool. What, you're gonna put it in the back?
I think so. You don't think so?
All right, here's the question though. If you're gonna place this in like a cabinet, would you do it this way or would you do it this way? Probably this way, right?
Yeah, I would think.
So maybe you could put it like
right here would be nice.
Or like right here. I mean, you're left-handed, so.
I don't know, but you should stop rubbing your finger oil into it, bro. That'd be a great idea.
I'll clean it.
All right, here we go.
Practice with the cap on.
I don't need to practice, man.
All right.
I'm a G.
You just said you afraid of.
Bro, I'm a G, bro.
This guy's a celebrity now. He's not gonna mess it up.
That's how you get Alex to do things. You tell him you can't do it, and he'll do it.
Alex, you can't do that.
That looks solid.
Bam.
Nice.
Of course it's solid. It's my signature, fool. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. That looks pretty sick.
That's solid. Yeah. That's
Well,
sick.
we're glad you won it, and hopefully the more and more subscribers and followers we get, we could do more giveaways like this.
Bigger giveaways.
Yeah, bigger giveaways. Obviously, this is one of our first ones. I thought it was pretty cool. To the next guy who gets a giveaway, we'll do something cool for you too. Thank you for subscribing. We're gonna put this in a box, clean it all up, wipe it down, and ship it out to you, man. Thank you.
We're gonna send you some extra stuff too. We got some shirts, some lanyards.
Freehand drawing from me. Yeah, that looks sick.
Let's go see what kind of ice cream Alex.
Tony, when I pull up on you, I put it out on you. Oh, I'll pull it out on you.
Used to seeing that, huh?
Yeah.
How much for the whole cart?
Yeah,
Alex is
I like
gonna
it.
buy all of it. How much?
Ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. $5,000. Damn. Who thinks I should buy this cart for $5,000?
There's no way this is $5,000.
Hey.
It's a great sale.
Damn, bro, she slangs Red Bull too, fool. What you know about that?
We don't drink Red Bull.
Hey, you guys want ice cream? She wants $5,000 for the cart. There's $5,000 worth of ice cream in there? Okay, $5,000 for the cart, but you still work it and you give us the money.
Yeah.
Okay?
Tú me vas a comprar el carrito.
I don't know any Spanish, but okay. Hey, NJ, what do you want? No, I'm on a diet. Red Bull? No, rice. Oh, rice, yeah, that's
better.
the
I
shit.
love rice.
Okay, so eat it.
No, I can't.
No,
That's cotton number, bro.
Here,
I know.
you can throw it in the freezer.
All right, guys, so this is it for this week's video. Thank you for following us, subscribing, commenting, liking. Thanks for all the nice comments about me and my son and the Porsche. I'm glad you guys love the GT2. I love that thing, the Widowmaker, the actual Widowmaker. Hopefully we get you guys some more videos with that. Hopefully this channel grows out to a point where maybe one day we could give away a Lamborghini instead of just giving away a helmet. We also got a lot of other cool things coming up. We bought another car. We didn't buy this car to drive around, but we bought another car, and we're going to show you guys that hopefully in the next episode. So stay tuned, and thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Connecticut, we got Aventador from Canada.